Guys, there are a ton of power banks and power adapters to keep your devices powered up on the go. But if you do need power on the go, then I've got something that you are going to want. And it's coming right up. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Scene for a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, power on the go. We all rely on keeping our beloved devices powered up when we're on the move. And today guys, I want to show you this. This is the Veger Power Tank Boost. This is a massive 56,000 milliamp super power bank that delivers a whopping 130 watts of power. Yeah, okay, there's a lot of numbers here, but in short, all of those numbers mean that you can power up absolutely all of your mobile devices, including your laptop, at the same time, all from one single device. And that, my friends, is pretty damn cool. Now, before we get started, Veger sent me this Power Tank Boost to review in exchange for my honest opinion. And if you follow my channel, you'll know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or different. So guys, let's take a quick look at what you get in the box. Now, open the box up, and quite simply, you are greeted with this beast. Now I say beast not because the fact that it's pretty big, but more for the fact that this has got so much power while being very portable. Next guys, you have some instructions, you have a USB-C to USB-C cable, and that is pretty much that. Now guys, let's deal with the dimensions of this power tank. It is 159 by 73 by 54 millimeters. Now that is pretty much like the size of a DJI mini drone. And guys, well, the weight, it's around 1 kilogram, which is about the same weight as a bag of sugar. Now that might seem a little heavier than your usual power pack for charging your phone, but guys, remember, this is going to power everything. So if you took your phone power brick and your laptop brick and any other power packs and added them all together, notwithstanding the space that they would occupy in your bag, then you have a very different story. Now guys, taking a look at this, you can see you've got a display on the top showing you charge status and percentage of power. On the bottom, you have an adjustable light. So yeah, you can add a torch to the many capabilities of this device. Then guys, you have the business end, and here you've got all of your connectivity options and your power on and torch buttons. Now guys, if you push the button, you can see that you will get two different brightness levels. And if you hold the button down, you'll get a series of flashes, which if you're old like me, you will immediately see that these are not random flashes, but in fact it's SOS in Morse code. That's pretty neat, right? So now to the connectors guys, you have 3 USB-A ports, and these are all 18 watt outputs. Then you have 2 PD Type-C ports. Now this is where things get a little bit different. Port 1 is an output at 30 watts. Port 3 is a dual input output delivering 100 watts. And then you have port 2 in the middle, which is a lightning input at 18 watts. So that also means that you can limit the amount of cables that you carry around with you. And let me tell you, this power tank is more than capable enough to power your computer. I've got a MacBook Pro 16-inch, the M1X version, and a supplied 96 watts Apple charger with the USB-C to MagSafe connector will charge this computer to 50% in just 30 minutes, providing you have a power outlet to plug into. The Veger Tank Boost is 100 watts out of that output, and it fits in your bag, so it's ready to go wherever you are, irrespective of power outlets. So guys, whether you're away camping or you're out and about with your drone, traveling on a train, a plane, or even at a music festival, this power tank boost from Veger has all of your power requirements covered, and even in the dark. My only slight criticism is that the instruction and the labels on the charger itself are tiny, even with my glasses on. Yes, I do have to wear glasses sometimes. I could just about read them, but what it lacks in labels, guys, it definitely makes up for in a massive power delivery in a pretty compact form factor. Oh, and if you're out in the wilds exploring, there's even a carry strap with a little compass. So guys, I will leave any product links and any further discounts in the description. If you have any comments or questions, you know what to do. And if you like the video, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon to be notified of new videos. Guys, thanks for watching, and thanks to Veger for sending me this power tank boost to review. Guys, I'm Dave with Scenes for a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.